Strategy number 2, steal your competitors' backlinks. This is a very simple but yet very powerful method, and the beauty of this method is that we can view all the backlinks our competitors have, analyze them, and then simply cherry pick the best ones which we would also like for our website too. So to do this, you simply need to find your competitors and then plug them into SEMrush and review all the data. So step 1 is to find your competitors. For the example in this video, I'll be pretending that I own a website that sells car vacuums. As like I said, I want to use a different industry for each backlink strategy I showcase to really ensure you have a broad understanding of how you can apply these in the real world. So as my website is about car vacuums, one of the keywords I want to target is going to be best car vacuums. So let's go ahead and carry out a search to find our competitors. So let's make sure we scroll below the ads, as you don't want to be looking at ads for this strategy. You want to be looking at the websites that rank organically in Google. So these websites right here, t3.com, thesun.co.uk, spotlessvacuum.co.uk, these are all websites that rank highly in Google for the keyword that we want to rank for. So as a result, these websites are essentially our competitors. So let's go ahead and open this website right now. And as you can see, this is an article about the 7 best car vacuums. Now this article is bound to have backlinks as it's ranking highly on page 1. So what we want to do is take the whole website URL, including this particular page about car vacuums, go over to SEMrush, Control V to paste that in the top search bar, and simply carry out a search. Now SEMrush is going to return tons of data about this URL, and in particular the one we want to bear in mind is going to be the backlinks this page has. So you can see this page has 68 different backlinks. So let's go ahead and give this number a click to actually look at what all those backlinks are. So if we scroll down, we can see all of those 68 backlinks. We have a backlink from popcoal.com, another one from popcoal.com. We've got a few more from popcoal, and so on. So like I said earlier on in the course, what you want to do is go to this part right here where it says links per referring domains and make sure you tick number 1. This is going to show you 1 link per domain. So now you can see we only have 1 link from popcoal.com, which is really what we want to be focusing on. The next thing we want to do is make sure we go for follow backlinks, as like I said earlier on in the course, we don't want to be looking at backlinks that are no follow, as no follow backlinks don't provide an SEO benefit. So let's go ahead and click follow. That 11 has now dropped down to 7. So essentially, these are the 7 most impactful backlinks that this particular page has. We've got a backlink from theluxuryauthority.com, we've got a backlink from 6feetunderblog.com, and so on and so on. So let's go ahead and look at this backlink. So to view the backlink, all we need to do is click this little icon right here, and this will open a new page and will show us the page which is linking to this URL that is ranking highly in Google. So this is the website, theluxuryauthority.com. So as you can see, this article is about car vacuums, how to get rid of crumbs and clean your vehicle thoroughly. As it's super niche relevant, it's all about car vacuums. You can scroll down, they've got images about cleaning your car, best car vacuums to keep your vehicle clean. Then they go ahead and list multiple car vacuums. So this is a really niche relevant link, which as we know, relevancy is a really big factor to ensure you rank highly on Google. So let's go ahead and analyze this website in a bit more detail just to figure out if we actually want to get a backlink from it. So we can go over to our Mozbar Chrome extension and we can actually see that this website has a domain authority of 27, which is a really good sign and is something you want to see. So we can go back to SEMrush and kind of rinse and repeat this process for all the other backlinks this site has as well. So we can go for 6feetunderblog.com. We can see already what the article is about. 5 tips to achieving a sparkling car interior. So let's go ahead and open this backlink and check out the domain authority of this website. So as we can see, the domain authority of this website is 19, so a little bit lower than the first one. However, as the website on page 1 has a link from this site and is ranking highly, I don't want to skip this link. This is actually another good link that I would like to get as well. So as you probably guessed, when it comes to SEO, although there are a few benchmarks we like to follow, like domain authority 25 and above, if you find competitors on page 1 ranking highly and they have backlinks from a website that has a low domain authority, it's probably worth you going out there and actually getting those backlinks too. Just be careful on the anchor text you use. So as you can see, this is a really powerful method to find out all the backlinks your competitors have literally just in a few minutes. Now, it's important to note that you can rinse and repeat this method for multiple websites on page 1. So if you remember correctly, we just looked at spotlessvacuum.co.uk. But if we go back one, we can also take another website, the Mirror, CNET, Motor1.com, plug them into SEMrush, have a look at the backlinks, and then go out and get those backlinks as well. So essentially, when you compile a list of websites that you'd like to get backlinks from as well, it would literally be the same process from there onwards in regards to you reaching out to the website and asking if you can write a guest post for this website. Now, the reason why this strategy works so well is because these websites you're seeing that are ranking highly on page 1 on Google, they would have done the on-page SEO correctly and they would have done link building correctly. So if we go ahead and mimic the on-page SEO, or even better, do the on-page SEO better, and then go out and actually mimic all the backlinks they have, then you're essentially following a proven blueprint that you can follow to get your website onto the first page of Google as well. I'll see you in the next video where we're going to cover the next link building strategy.